This should be real quick and easy. Everything's relatively accessible. Had to get some baby vice grips because it's spinning. Alright, there we go. I got these off Amazon. They're Moog. Same thing as what's on Rock Auto, except free shipping. So I'll just throw these on. Got torque specs. Stabilizer shaft, length, nuts. 53 foot-pounds. These things look much tougher than OEM. Come on now. There we go. Good. There we go. Okay. Seam lengths are pretty simple. It's just kind of awkward to get to sometimes, depending when you set up. And the stabilizer bar bushings are in the mail, so whenever those come in, I'll be able to swap those out really quick. Alright, I got my sway bar bushings from Eckler's. Got the fronts and the rears. Seems like good quality stuff. It's Prothane and comes with a little bit of grease. Now here's the fun part. Oh my God. I need to clean up my hands. I have grease all over me. The top bolt gets 79 or 49 foot-pounds of torque. And the bottom nut gets 70. So now I have the bushings, the end links, and tie rod ends. And this is the Z51 package, so this is a bigger sway bar, thus I have bigger bushings. So It's good to know that ahead of time instead of ordering bushings that are too small and having to go back and forth to the store or return shipping. And it looks like the front will be a lot faster and easier. It's good access to it if you jack it up far enough. Looks like I gotta take both sides down at once in order to get these off. Oh, screw it. These go to 43 foot-pounds. Alright, it's all tightened up now. And I would drop it on the ground, but I'm getting ready to lower the cradle so I can get to the oil pan and swap the upper gasket out.